Welcome to TechDevil. Why are there not more people talking about the Nothing Phone 2? Section 1. The Hype Cycle. From zero to nothing phone 2. The smartphone world thrives on hype. Every year, brands promise revolutionary tech, pushing the boundaries of what our pocket computers can do. Remember the flip phone? Now we fold entire tablets in half. From foldable screens to under-display cameras, innovation is a constant. So, when Nothing, a relatively new player, entered the scene with their phone 1, it turned heads. The transparent back and the Glyph interface, a grid of LEDs that lit up for notifications, were undeniably cool. Fast forward to today, and the Nothing Phone 2 is here. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Phone 2 isn't just about flashy lights though, it's a statement. Nothing wants to redefine how we interact with our devices. They're going for a cleaner, more minimalist approach to software, a breath of fresh air in a world of bloated operating systems. But specs matter, features matter, and ultimately the user experience matters most. Over the next few sections, we'll break it all down. We'll look at the hardware, the software, and most importantly, how it all comes together in everyday use. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, it's about to get interesting. Section 2, Under the Hood, Dissecting the Specs. Let's get down to brass tacks. The Nothing Phone 2 packs a punch when it comes to raw power. It's rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This means smooth performance, even when you're pushing the phone with demanding games or multitasking between multiple apps. Battery life is crucial, and the Phone 2 doesn't disappoint, boasting a 4,700 mAh battery. That should easily get you through a full day of moderate use. And when you need to refuel, fast charging has got your back. Moving on to memory and storage, the Phone 2 offers different configurations to suit your needs. You can choose from 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking. Storage options include 128 GB, 256 GB, or a whopping 512 GB, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. On the software front, the Phone 2 runs on Nothing OS 2. This is their take on Android, promising a clean and bloatware-free experience. More on that later. Section 3. Pixel Pusher, Display and Design Deep Dive. The display is your window into the digital world, and the Phone 2 doesn't skimp here. It features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling through your social media feeds or web pages will be buttery smooth. The display also boasts HDR10+ support, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. Let's talk design. The Phone 2 retains the transparent back that made its predecessor so unique. However, it refines the design language, making it even more sleek and premium. The aluminum frame adds to the premium feel, while the Gorilla Glass on both the front and back provides durability. The star of the show, of course, is the Glyph interface. This time around, the LED strips are more segmented, allowing for more granular control and customization. You can assign specific light patterns to different contacts or notifications, adding a fun and futuristic element to your interactions. The Phone 2 is a head-turner, seamlessly blending form and function. It's a device that feels as good to hold as it looks. Section 4. Picture Perfect. Cameras on test. In the age of Instagram and TikTok, a good camera is non-negotiable. The Nothing Phone 2 steps up to the plate with a dual rear camera system. The primary sensor clocks in at 50 megapixels, promising detailed and vibrant shots. It's paired with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing those expansive landscapes or group photos. We put the cameras through their paces, shooting in various lighting conditions. The results? Impressive. The Phone 2 captures images with good dynamic range and accurate colors. Even in low light, the phone manages to pull in a surprising amount of detail. The dedicated night mode further enhances low light performance. On the video front, the Phone 2 can shoot up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. The footage is smooth and stabilized, making it a great option for casual videography. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 offers a capable and versatile camera system that won't disappoint. Section 5. User Feedback, the Good, the Bad, and the Glyph. The real test of any smartphone is how it performs in the hands of users. We scoured the internet, diving deep into forums and social media to gather early impressions of the Nothing Phone 2. The general consensus? It's a mixed bag. Many users praise the phone's unique design and the Glyph interface. They love the clean software experience and the smooth performance. The camera also receives a thumbs up from most users. However, not all feedback is positive. Some users report inconsistencies with the Glyph interface, with certain notifications not triggering the LEDs as expected. Others point out that the battery life while decent, doesn't quite match up to some of the competition. There are also concerns about the phone's overall durability, with some users reporting scratches on the back glass despite using cases. Section 6 Critics Corner: What the Experts Say. Tech reviewers have also weighed in on the Nothing Phone 2, offering their expert opinions on the device. Renowned tech publication The Verge praises the phone's fun and unique design and clean software experience. However, they note that the camera performance, while good, doesn't quite match up to the Google Pixel 7 or the Samsung Galaxy S23. CNET echoes similar sentiments, commending the phone's distinctive design and smooth performance, but points out that the battery life could be better. Overall, the critical reception of the Nothing Phone 2 has been cautiously optimistic. Reviewers acknowledge the phone's unique appeal and potential, but also point out areas where it falls short of the competition. It's clear that the phone, too, is not a phone for everyone. It's a device for those who value design, innovation, and a clean software experience. Section 7. Unboxing Ritual: First Impressions Matter. The unboxing experience can set the tone for your entire smartphone journey. Nothing understands this, and it shows in the packaging of the phone, too. The box itself is minimalist, with the phone's outline subtly embossed on the top. Inside, you'll find the phone nestled securely in a cardboard tray. Underneath, you'll discover a USB-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. Notably absent is a charging brick, a trend we're seeing more and more in the smartphone industry. The phone, too, itself, feels incredibly well built. The aluminum frame provides a reassuring heft, while the Gorilla Glass back feels smooth and premium to the touch. The power button and volume rockers are tactile and well positioned. But the real star of the show is the Glyph interface. Even when the phone is off, the LEDs peek through the back, hinting at the unique experience that awaits. Section 8. The Glyph interface: A Glimmer of Innovation. The Glyph interface is undoubtedly the most polarizing feature of the Nothing Phone 2. Some dismiss it as a gimmick, while others see it as a genuinely innovative way to interact with your phone. The LEDs can be customized to light up for different notifications, calls, or even to indicate charging status. You can even assign specific light patterns to different contacts, so you know who's calling without even looking at your phone. In practice, the Glyph interface is surprisingly useful. It's a subtle yet effective way to stay on top of your notifications without constantly checking your phone. The ability to customize the LEDs adds a fun and personal touch. However, as mentioned earlier, some users have reported inconsistencies with the Glyph interface, with certain notifications not always triggering the LEDs. This suggests that the software still needs some fine-tuning. Section 9. Market Disruptor or Flash in the Pan. The Nothing Phone 2 has certainly made a splash in the smartphone market. Its unique design and innovative features have captured the attention of tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. But can it truly disrupt the established players like Apple and Samsung? It's too early to say for sure. The phone, too, faces stiff competition from established brands with deeper pockets and more resources. It also needs to overcome the perception that it's more about style than substance. However, Nothing has a few things going for it. The brand has generated a significant amount of hype and buzz, particularly among younger audiences. The phone's clean software experience is also a major selling point for users who are tired of bloatware and intrusive ads. Ultimately, the success of the Nothing Phone 2 will depend on the company's ability to continue innovating, refining its software, and building a loyal community around its brand. Section 10. Nothing Phone 2, My 2 cents. The Nothing Phone 2 is a fascinating device. It's not perfect, but it's different. It's a phone that dares to challenge the status quo, pushing the boundaries of smartphone design and user experience. Do I love everything about it? Not necessarily. The Glyph interface, while cool, still feels a bit gimmicky at times. The battery life could be better, and the camera, while good, doesn't quite match up to the very best in the market. But there's something undeniably charming about the phone, too. It's a phone that sparks joy, a phone that makes me want to use it, to explore its quirks and features. In a sea of sameness, the Nothing Phone 2 is a breath of fresh air. It's a reminder that smartphones can be fun, innovative, and even a little bit weird. And that's something worth celebrating. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech reviews and first impressions. Thanks for watching. This is the end screen for YouTube. Please subscribe and check out our other videos. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a curated playlist of our latest tech reviews and first impressions. If you're intrigued by the Nothing Phone 2, you'll definitely want to check out our deep dives into other innovative gadgets. And on the right, we've handpicked a video that we think you'll love. It's all about the latest trends in smartphone technology and how they impact your daily life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth reviews and first impressions of the coolest tech out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.